everyone, welcome back. In today's video, we are going to explore the latest timesheet update in Odoo 19.2, focusing on how time tracking has become easier, faster, and more efficient. So there we have two most important updates that have been happened to ease your workflow. So first of all, there we have an improved time tracking interface. So moving on to the dashboard of our timesheet, there we have our dashboard module. If I'm moving on to the timesheet, now you can see the expected working hour and everything from the dashboard itself. Now you can see the time billed week, billed by month, and we have the top department, as well as now you can see the non-billable project cost and as well as the non-billable task cost, just comparing with the top project and the task as well. Okay, so the dashboard interface is actually changed of this timesheet. So now you can see it's cleaner and more user-friendly layout, easier to log and edit time entries, and better visibility to record hours as well. Okay, so now let's head over to the next thing, which is actually the main important thing. Like if I'm just moving on to the sales module, I'll show you that. Now we have a new top menu type, which means if I'm just moving on to the sales module and if I want to track the time of anything that I'm just doing, the task that I'm doing, if I'm just creating any kind of the invoices or any kind of quotations, I can simply move on to there. And as well, there you can see a green button which shows like this. And if I'm just clicking on there, it will show you the timesheet. Okay, now you can simply describe your activity. If I'm just creating any kind of quotation, I can simply provide like this as a quotation making, and I can provide the project that is actually linked with these kind of things. So here I'm just providing the sale order and the task as well. And if I'm just creating it, that particular thing is there and your timesheet is actually updated. So now you can see this top menu, this new menu bar on each and every modules, and you can now update your timesheet very easily. So these are the most two important updates that actually comes in timesheet module, and that is actually quite easy to use and it's very improved version as well. So I hope you all understood this video. So if you like these kinds of update videos of Odoo and Odoo different version, please do check out our channel and please do subscribe. I'll be back with another kind of updates. Till that, bye bye.